Everyday Grammar. I'm Alice Bryant. A few weeks ago, a friend and I took a day trip to the city of Baltimore. We packed a few things for the trip: sunglasses, some snacks, our phone chargers, and a blanket. We also brought along the phrase, "Would you mind?"
Would you mind?
Would you mind is one of the most useful phrases for making polite requests. When we got to Baltimore, we visited an amazing museum called the American Visionary Arts Museum. But looking at art for long periods can make you hungry. So we asked someone at the front desk for food ideas. Hi, would you mind suggesting a good seafood restaurant close by? She smiled and told us to try Fisherman's Bay. We did, and it was great. In English, we often use indirect phrases like "would you mind" to make polite requests. So, instead of asking the direct question, "What's a good seafood restaurant close by?" you could ask in a less direct way with "would you mind." The structure is "would you mind" plus gerund.
Would you mind telling me where the metro stop is?
The phrase "would you mind" can help you sound friendlier, especially when making requests to strangers. So, don't leave home without it. And that's Everyday Grammar.